In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Slides to a PDF. This process is super straightforward and can be done in a few simple steps. So let's dive right into it. First, you need to head over to Google Slides. You can do this by visiting the Google Slides website on your browser. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign into your Google account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Google Slides homepage. This is where you can view all of your existing presentations and create new ones. Now on this homepage you have two options. If you want to create a brand new presentation, click on the blank presentation button. Alternatively, if you're looking to use a pre-designed format, you can select one of the available templates. Choose the option that suits your needs best. Once you've selected or created your presentation, it will open up in the Google Slides editor. After your presentation is open, it's time to export it as a PDF. To do this, head to the top menu of your Google Slides interface and click on File. This is where you'll find most of the export options. Next, in the drop-down menu that appears, locate the Download option. Hover over or click on it, and you'll see a list of possible formats for downloading your presentation. For this task, because we want to convert our presentation to a PDF, we will choose the PDF document option. Clicking on this will initiate the process of converting your Google Slides presentation into a PDF file. A download will commence almost immediately and your PDF should be ready in moments depending on the size of your presentation and your internet connection speed. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder or whichever location you've set for your web downloads and you'll find the PDF file of your presentation there. Open it up with a PDF reader to ensure everything looks good. And there you have it, you've just smoothly converted your Google Slides presentation into a PDF file, ready for sharing or printing as needed. This is a fantastic way to ensure your presentation maintains its formatting when shared across different devices or platforms, as PDFs preserve the original layout and appearance. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.